So AI has amazing capability. We're specifically going to be talking about AI models and AI image generation. We're going to be discussing why AI needs a personal brand or personality behind it.
So obviously this year we can do some amazing things with AI, such as image generation, video generation is coming along very nicely as well. We can do a lot of complex things with artificial intelligence now. However, the thing with artificial intelligence is that it doesn't specifically have a personality. At the end of the day, it is a robot. It is just binary code behind a screen that we can't actually solidly give a personality because, well, it does not exist.
So when selecting a personality, you need to make it specific to your audience. And this is similar to a niche. If you want to learn about niches, go to our last video that we've done, and we're going to discuss the top 3 niches for an AI model. But we're going to be talking about personality today, just slightly different to niches. We're going to be discussing why we need a personality, the benefits of having this set personality for your AI model.
The first reason would be that it makes engagement with fans a lot easier. Now, if they can engage with a certain personality, or they can relate to a certain personality type or thing that the model's interested in, this will make conversations a lot easier and allow them to spend a lot more money because you are actually attaining to their specific needs or their specific desires and giving them a AI model that can actually relate to them and talk about the same things that they like to them.
Exactly, so it's kind of connecting on that personal level to be able to then take more of their time, dash money off of them. The second reason why having a personality behind an AI model is because of the marketing purposes behind it. It's extremely easy to market someone when they have a personality in comparison to someone that is just generating images of their tits, let's say. So instead of being that loser that just generates images of tits and then just tries to sell them to whoever's willing, make a personality behind the model. Get them in, let's say the model likes cars. Get them into a niche which is similar to cars. They love cars, they talk about cars, even though they're an AI influencer. They get onto other platforms and say, oh, I love cars. You know, all of this, get in forums, start bullying people in the comments. Just all of this is going to help with engagement and marketing for your model's page and get you a shitload of views.
Not only does this make you more discoverable to your fans, but also it makes you able to discover your fans. So let's say your fans like football, they want to subscribe to a girl who likes football. They're going to search for football related content, which you are then making. And also, you know where to find your fan base. You're going to go to football meme pages, football team pages, wherever you want. But you're increasing your discoverability when you are giving them a personality.
And the last one is to do with true love. Now, you're probably thinking, what the fuck you want about? Now, these little creatures that are online, that go across the OnlyFans account or FanView account or whatever, they are not just yearning for fucking pussy, but they're also looking to find a girl that they can talk to and fall in love with. Now, if you present a real personality, come across very authentic and true to yourself, then they're going to like that. They're going to connect with you on a deeper level, and therefore they're going to start formulating a relationship with the model. Yes, most of them probably know that the model is AI. However, they don't care because, once again, they fall in love with like anime characters and stuff like this, which once again are just pixels on the screen. But because they're presenting such an engaging personality, they absolutely fucking love it, and they're willing to spend their wages on it.
It does sound mental that these blokes go to AI models online and look for this actual real life almost kind of relationship. Like they genuinely believe that they're going to get a relationship or that they love this model, even though she doesn't exist. And they can't have sex, and they can't have kids, and they can't have a perfect life that they can picture. But it's all just part of their fantasy. Now, in order to get a customer who is willing to spend a lot of money on your model, this is the route we go. We want them to fall in love and almost think of it as a relationship. So instead of just being this model that throws out tit pics and puts a price on it and then they unlock it, they actually want someone to speak to and engage with and relate to. So it's just giving it that realism that they wouldn't get from just some robot that's chucking content out at them. So this has been why creating a personality around your AI models is so important nowadays. If you would like to learn more about AI models, maybe even want to do this business model yourself and you want to learn how to make them, how to get them on social media, and how to monetize their content on Fanview, OnlyFans, or whatever platform that you want to use. Go to the top link in the description for more information on that.